Rinntin Jewelry was founded in 2013 and headquartered in Zhuhai City, Guangdong Province, based in a renowned hub for fine jewelry production. Strategically located near Hong Kong, Macau, and Guangzhou, Zhuhai offers exceptional access to international trade and convenient transportation. With over 12 years of dedicated experience in jewelry manufacturing, Rinntin Jewelry now serves clients across the globe with a diverse range of products and services.
Welcome to Rinntin Jewelry.
We operate a 2,500 square meters professional factory, staffed by 110 skilled employees, with a monthly production capacity exceeding 120,000 pieces. This enables us to efficiently fulfill large-scale orders while maintaining consistent quality. Our factory holds certifications from SGS, Intertek, and TÜV Rheinland, ensuring that our production processes and product quality comply strictly with international standards. Additionally, all our products meet EU compliance requirements and include safety test reports for lead, cadmium, and nickel content. These achievements reflect not only a decade of hard work, but also Rinntin Jewelry's commitment to professional excellence and reliable quality. Rinntin Jewelry specializes in a wide range of jewelry, including 925 sterling silver jewelry, carat solid gold jewelry, and brass jewelry. We offer original designs and OEM/ODM services, managing the entire process from concept development to finished product. Our factory is fully equipped with advanced production lines that support the complete manufacturing process, including mold making, wax injection, forming, deburring, stone setting, polishing, and quality inspection. Wax pattern printing. The 3D molding machine prints wax patterns. Get ready for master mold production. Wax injection. Molten wax is injected into rubber molds to produce perfect wax replicas, forming the basis for casting. Wax tree assembly. Multiple wax pieces are arranged in a wax core to form a wax tree, improving production efficiency. Casting. The wax tree is coated with refractory material. After the wax is melted, metal is poured in to cast solid metal blanks. Gate cutting. Excess gates and connecting parts are cut off to initially refine the shape of the castings. Polishing. Fine grinding and polishing are performed to make the metal surface smooth and shiny. Carat Gold Workshop. According to customer requirements, we produce solid gold jewelry with different gold contents, provide customers with personalized solid gold jewelry production. Laser engraving. Use laser technology to engrave an exclusive mark on the surface of jewelry. Stone setting. Technicians set gemstones in place, with each stone fixed precisely to radiate brilliant luster. Electroplating. The finished products undergo electroplating to enhance surface luster and durability. Quality inspection. Product quality inspectors ensure that every piece of jewelry meets global standards before shipment. Thanks to our high production capacity, strict quality control, competitive pricing, and excellent customer service, Rinntin Jewelry has earned the trust of over 5,000 clients worldwide. Our products are now sold in 180 countries and regions, and we have established long-term strategic partnerships with numerous renowned retailers and wholesalers.
Hi, my name is Dania and I am a client from Rinntin Jewelry. And I'm too glad because I found them in Alibaba searching for luxury jewelry, and I have jewelry who another brands don't have because they are amazing. They make all things, all designs I am asking them for, and the quality. They are really honest, and I am too glad because I found them. And my seller, Helen, is amazing too. This is a piece from them. These are from my brands. And I am too glad because I can collaborate with them.
Rinntin Jewelry is powered by a professional team of approximately 60 members, including designers and business professionals. With deep market insight and responsive communication, we are able to accurately understand client needs, offer customized solutions, provide timely and efficient service. We maintain a professional, responsible, and customer-focused approach, aiming to make every collaboration smooth, effective, and mutually rewarding.
For the past 12 years, we are focused on jewelry production, quality, and service. This dedication has driven the team, continuous growth and expansion. Looking ahead, we will continue to uphold our core philosophy. Clients are our driving force. Employees are our foundation of development. We will deepen our win-win result. We are committed to providing customers with professional, efficient, and comprehensive jewelry service solutions. At the same time, we ensure the achievements of company's development benefit every hardworking employees, allowing them to share in the glory of our growth.
Rinntin Jewelry warmly welcomes global partners to visit our factory and witness our production process firsthand. Let's use jewelry as a bridge for mutual prosperity. We look forward to building lasting partnerships with you.
Rinntin Jewelry, reliable factory. Yeah!